Hi, how are you? So first we will practice the cue card, and the cue card is describe a famous business person that you know about. You should say who this person is, what kind of business this person is involved in, what you know about this business person, and explain what you think of this business person. As I've already did a little bit preparation for this cue card, I can start now, I guess. I know a number of famous business men such as Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Elon Musk. They are famous worldwide and people respect them for their entrepreneurial skills. Here, I would love to talk about Elon Musk because of his extreme risk taking abilities. Elon Musk owns two different companies apart from many smaller companies. These two companies are Tesla and SpaceX. Tesla mostly deals in the production of electric vehicles through a mode of sustainable development by pursuing clean energy resources. Uh, SpaceX works in the designing, manufacturing, and launching of rockets and spacecrafts into space. Elon Musk was very ambitious in the beginning. When he was 12, he created a video game and immediately sold it to a business magazine for a profit. By doing that, he showed his entrepreneurial and business skills. He also got sophisticated education from world renowned universities such as Queen's University in Kingston, Canada, and from the University of Pennsylvania at Philadelphia. Elon Musk was also extremely farsighted. No sooner he got the admission in Stanford University uh, for pursuing physics than he left the university within 2 days and decided to pursue some course in internet. He was extremely uh, farsighted in this matter and knew the potential of internet, and indeed he got successful in this venture, and he proved his self assurance. I believe that Elon Musk has vast reserve of knowledge, and he has a passion for innovation, and his ground to earth approach make him a very famous business person. And I guess this is the famous business person that I know about. Okay, maybe I crossed 2 minutes limit, but that's fine. I find this cue card very interesting, and you can also try this cue card in your free time. Uh, Also, let me tell you about this cue card now. This cue card is from this book, IELTS General Training 15 book. This is the latest edition of this book. There are other books as well that you can buy, that's 13 and 14. So when I pursued my IELTS, I had almost all the books starting from 1 to maybe 12 or 13 at that time. I'm not sure, that was few years back, but I used to have these books in my possession because I could do anything or any exercise anytime, rather than depending on my institutions completely. I also had some other books as well related to vocabulary, grammar, and some general tips of IELTS. And there is one interesting YouTube channel that you can follow for IELTS tips, and that is by Daria. I will try to link her channel in the description if it is possible. And yeah, I also launched a series of speaking exercise, and the name of that series is Rambling, Babbling, and Raving. So you can see that video and you can try those basic rules to participate in this game, because it is very helpful to build speaking skills in an informal manner without worrying about the depths of English language. And I hope very soon, as soon as I finish How to Be a Friend by Cicero, I'm reading that book. It's a reread. After that, I will start reading this book. I recently got this book. It is The Brother Karamazov by Fyodor Dostoevsky. As you can see, it's ginormous. It almost has more than 1000 pages. But yeah, and it is by Simon and Brown, and the cover is extremely solid and the pages are extremely neat and clean, as you can see from the whiteness at the sides. And the font is also quite normal, not too small and not too large. And you can, as I am in a habit of making notes, so I can make notes in this empty space. So I always like these kinds of books where I can jot down my own personal thinking regarding the text or context of the book. And yeah, I think this is sufficient for this book, and for this video as well. I hope I will see you soon, and keep practicing. And if you get some opportunity, do buy this book. It's also very helpful and you will get so many tips. There are plenty of tips. I will discuss these tips one by one, and sometimes in my opinion, or and at least for me, reviewing this book at a single in a single video is quite difficult, because there are so many essential tips that it is almost impossible to cover in just one video. So I will discuss one tip at a time in one video. That will be more helpful, because in that way I can extend the topic and I can talk about the topic, or talk around the topic. And by this I will cover most of the important aspects of the particular tips or particular tip or skill. So for now, give me permission. Have a good time. Take care.